What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to apply Instagram like filters to your image galleries on WordPress. So the easiest way to do so is by using a plugin. So here you need to go to plugins. As you can see, I'm on my WordPress dashboard of course, and go to plugins from the menu on the left, add new plugin, and you want to search for Envira. Now there are many plugins that can do the same thing, however I prefer the Envira gallery. Okay, this is the one, Envira Gallery. Create stunning, powerful galleries. Install now. It's installed. And then activate. Okay, it's now activated. Now to access it, go back to your dashboard or just refresh the page. And once you scroll down from the menu on the left, you should see here Envira Galleries and go to Albums. Okay, this is only available for the free for the pro version. So let's go to Settings. And you can see here the settings, you can upgrade to the pro version. Now, if you go to all galleries right here, now if I go to all galleries, I can view here all the galleries that I have. I can add new gallery. Okay, so I can get from a native Envira gallery or an external one. So I can upload images from my computer or from Instagram, for example. And here I can configure my galleries, configure the galleries, add lightbox settings and mobile settings, video, social media tags, and so on. So once I upload my photos, let's select a file from my computer, and I'll just select a random image here, open it, and now the image is uploaded or will be uploaded. Okay, and now I can view the gallery. Here is the image. I can click on it and make sure to add all kind and click on edit right here. I can edit the URL or the title of the image, and when I get to create my website, I can add the galleries from here and apply the effects.